Oh, this is awkward. This is awkward. Oh, hello.
Ayun no! Wait, thank you for the raid, Gamers for Life, bro! Shout out, of course! Shout out, of course, sa...
You sound like you're in a tunnel. It's okay!
Ayan o, good evening sa
That's a right adjustment.
Present.
Present. Present.
Yo, go see the show. Naging...
Pusit na yun, naging ano eh.
Yung si Willie. Hindi ko kaya to. It's gone! Kanina na, nandiyan yan ah. May kumuha. I must get that thing. Oh. Naging Metal Gear ah. Oh my god. Ready, set. It's chase or be chased. Ano ko nakikita? Teka, ibahin ko kaya yung daan ko. They almost got me. Ala! Paano ko nakikita? Okay. I have no choice. Ba't dito ako dadaan? Haba yata ng save area nito ah. must recover. I must recover her suit. Ayoko nitong Zero Suit Samus. An ancient soldier. Mukhang mahirap ma-recover yung suit ni Samus dito ah. Seems ancient ha. Wow. Hindi kaya si Samus yan, yung bata? Yup, it is her! Pero paano mo ma-recover yung suit mo? Ano Castlevania? Wait. Na. Huwag kong barinig yan until maano yung symbol. Okay, I figured out. Ano ko na huwag kong barinin agad or don't. Yun. So, I need to fight myself, huh? Ayun! Yung suit! Yes! Na-recover! Last one! Gravity? Base jump? You got a fully power suit. Uy! Ayos! Na-recover ko ni suit. Let's go! Okay, gets ka na. Tapos ka na? Ayo ha, hinuhuli-huli nyo ako ngayon. Ako naman. Wow! Fully powered suit na. Yun, ito ang maganda. Ito ang maganda. In addition sa pag-recover ng buhay, may magsisave din. Kaya, wala na. Medyo dinaig na yung ano, Castlevania. Okay, isa pa. Hearing this means more powerful na si Samus. I defeated Mother Brain, pero I can't believe hindi pa tapos tong larong to. With that mga kaibigan, hanggang dito na lang. Sa ngayon mga kaibigan, hanggang dito na lang muna yung stream ko. I can't believe malayo na. Malayo na pala ako. Wow. Di ko expect na gito para kalayo yung marireach ko sa larong to ah. Okay, sige. Let's dose the open mga kaibigan. Well, anyways, that's all for this live stream. Shout out to the following sa Facebook: Jeffrey Apelonia, Archie Filipo Campo, at Johannes Hood Navarro. Salamat sa pag-drop by. Sa mga nag-smash ng reaction button, sina Teka. Yan. Sa mga nag-smash ng reaction button sina, yung kapatid ko, and si Sis. Yan. Then, anak ko sina si Top Toy PH, Marias Minarela, Inclusio MG, Art Deferio, then San Store also ng Scrady, at si Archnil, mga po ng Archnil Gaming. Salamat sa pag-drop by at sa pag-smash ng reaction button. Dito naman sa Twitch, Kabien O, Kurik Super, Comrade Oleg, Iron Legion TV, yun pa nandito, Ghost Games Pass, Johannesburg 2086, huge shoutout Rubis Gaming Room for the follow, Mr. Cyper 77, Jasper, yun lang. Thanks for dropping by. Happy viewing and lurking too. Oh, si Fire Queen nandito. Fire Queen, kung nandiyan ka, ayun na, shoutout sa'yo. Yan. Akalain mo may fully powered suit na ako.
EFK yan.
Baka inaaway na siya.
Taas ng ping niya.
Sorry, Sir Pao. Hindi ako nagulat doon. Hihihihihi.
Oo di talaga nagulat.
Pagalitan yun, sabihin.
Wow. Akala ko, pag tinalo ko na si Mother Brain, tapos na ang laro ko. That's the NES version, guys, ha. Ayan lang. Still, thanks for dropping by, Lord Command Stream. Sa mga views na nanonood as of this time, and sa mga hindi pinag-stream nito, to all the viewers watch Lord Command Stream as of this time, and to all the viewers watch replay of this stream. Likewise, mga kaibigan, don't forget to like, share, and follow that they see me, Facebook KB page, and as well for the Twitch, and channel for more awesome games, more retro games, and more Metroid. Okay. Sige, hanap tayo ng candidates for i-raid.
10.
Oh my God. Ang ingay. Ayan. Okay. We found a candidate, mga kaibigan. Here's my raid command. Ayan. Nang mabilisan. Total, na-DC naman ako kanina. Hindi na rin yan ano yung replay. Yung comments. Ayan. Please stand by sa simmer ni raid ko, ah. Sige. Ganito na lang. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, see you next time. Good morning, God bless, and good night. Di pala good night. Happy weekend. Wow! Hirap dyan. Don't tell me racing to. And I'm back. Okay, it's official. I'm literally... Oh. Okay. Walang... Di active si Kim for now. Pero hintayin ko yung pagbalik niya. Oh, missile dyan. Ibig sabihin babalik ako sa taas. Bullet bill. Infinite Sieves. Walang ink ribbon. Nung nilaro mo to, Sir Pao, may ink ribbon si Jill. Resident Evil 1.
Alam ko meron.
Ay, walang hiya. Ito nga yung kabila.
Ay, paglokohan lang.
In order yan, ha?
Nagjo-joke. Tapos yung pala, ano? Tapos sinabi ko bigla, Ricky Dabo. Ay, Ricky Makati. Tapos Ricky...
Muntik mo na sabihin, Ricky Reyes, ha? We have program to receive. You can check
Putang ina talaga
anytime if you like, but you can never leave.
Hindi ka nila alam kung saan ako
Yun ang sabi ni Adam.
Putang ina, ano yun?
I'll play this game as fast as I can. No, I will not use... For best results, I will not... At this, Luma burst into the gales of laughter and the girl began to pout. As long as this visitor couldn't stay mad after hearing this. top. Let's go! Ah, meron pa!
Hindi ko alam. Eh,
At this rate, wala na akong dapat balikan. Balik!
gonna go from Ricky Maru to Freaky
Use
Maru.
pang cable. Okay. Yung cable na kabit ko na.
Laki na tibag na. Ricky Maru to Freaky Maru. Ay, Diyos ko. Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no?
Alam ko tong...
Of course, Undertaker he was very serious in the ring and he wasn't supposed to laugh. Oh, si The God.
Wala. Mukhang sira yung clip mo ata. Babaguhin ko na yung ano. Hanap ako ng ibang source sa SO.
Thanks
Haba
again
ng
for the
joke.
follow, Miss Danielle.
Not sure kung sa ibang
Really
guns
do.
pwede.
Tapos si Luffy,
Okay.
One Piece. Arito Kero, Monkey D One Piece.
The One Piece.
Alam niyo ba si Luffy? Ulit ka ron. Can return to life with can completely recover health and stuff. Ah, okay. Aso yung nakakita sa akin na bakit may...
Hi, Nikolai!
Up there, the amount is modest, but there is a reward proclaimed upon the confirmation of your death.
Walang kung gusto na makakawa na ako, pero ibang ano kasi siya, ibang
Hey, you. Yeah, you got that tasty star bits? If you bring me a bunch of star bits, I'll burst snack up. Ben? Ayoko makita ng you died dito or so. Ngayon pa itugtog na yung game over here.
na ba?
And I'm back again at this point. So, where should I get this green star? Okay. Nasa Prelalab na ako. Ibig sabihin patapos sa to. Alam ko tong mga lokong to eh. Malakas mag-region eh. Ayan. Tapos ko na yung Clear A. Natin ko
ako nga nung unang nilaro ko, hindi ko pa alam kung paano tignan yung map. Pagulo rin din, mag-umaano lang talaga sa akin. Alam mo yun yung parang... Alam ko naman kung, wow, sige, shotgun na natin.
Uy, man.
Let's get out of here! Of course, I need to dispose him. Yo, kabien o. Wala, ayaw talaga. Ayaw talaga ng clip mo.
Alam ko na yung daanan pa dito. Juggernaut na.
Na-relive. Wala si ano lang talaga.
Present!
Ay, yo, Meiji Productions. Oh, no. Sorry. Sorry. At saka isang first aid spray. Sige.
That's right.
Sige. One first aid spray, no? Tapos isang fuse. For the record, I thought it was Luigi. No Luigi anymore. He got sick and tired of it. Yeah. Ana Sinasinto Octoy PH, thanks for smashing like. Please stand by me na so. Thank you. Putik. Super OP na ni Samus dito ah.
Bakit? Ano daw
I don't need it. Huwag mo na basahin, napakaba ng comment. Paano na yung energy ball dyan?
Next one. Naked gamers for life, bro. Next one. Sige. Hindi ko pa nataanan yan.
Ah, shit!
There he is. To disperse that ghost. Loko ka ha? Dahil left side yung napili, dahil ibang path yung napili ko iba. Need mo palitan ng nakasabit. Oo nga eh. Dati-rati, madaling kunin yung shotgun dito eh.
Pili cheese stick.
Ang baterya para sa elevator.
Ah, sige. Hindi ko na nga papatayin yan. Hindi ko naman kailangan talaga patayin lahat ng... O, patay, paano ko nakita dito? What the fuck? Ang layo naman nun. Putak na rin ang layo ko.
pa. No cheating skills.
Magte-training na ako.
I don't remember gumagamit si Jill ng ng Magnum. Of course I lost. Of course I lost.
Kunin ko muna yung crank bago natin i-save para din ako tatama rin mag-sort at palagi ng inventory. So pwede ko muna yan, no, itago ko muna yung mga ibang ano.
Saan kaya ito punta? Okay.
Bakit pa ako nagkaroon ng Magnum kung wala rin palang...
Dapat.
Tapos kung gusto mo, balikan mo yung balikan mo yung shutter sa bar, dali mo yung crank.
Okay, sige.
Of their own. The amount is modest, but there is a reward, a claim upon the confirmation of your death.
Walang kung gusto na makatayo lang siya, pero ibang ano kasi siya, ibang
pag napali
alam mo yun, gusto ko headshot para di masayang.
Siyempre, pag headshot, iba talaga yung datingan pag headshot di ba?
What the fuck? Oh! What the fuck ba tayo gumana nung dodge? Unfair! Get out of here! Boom! Get out of here! Never!
4 minutes yung battle. No trickster.
Magpapatayin sa sale. Ayan o.
During sale
So, yay! So, i-replace ko lang doon sa statue, right?
Talunin si Mother Brain, ha? This is gonna be a huge shortcut. But on the bright side, pwede na maligo sa acid, oh. na term. Sprinkler lang palang katapat nyo.
Teka, anong font kaya itong ginamit ko dito?
Tatlo na yata if I'm not mistaken. Tapos dumating si Mr. X. Check ng vaccine yan.
Claire, what's happened?
Not now. Come on, Sherry, wake up.
Walang kote first match. Sure, if you want to think on speed. Well, if you have Super Mario 3D All-Stars. Oh, good.
King of Fighters, hindi naman si Rugal yung kinakalaban.
Okay.
Kahit nagbablock na ako, lakas pa rin ng damage. I can't believe this. This is hurting my soul.
Nah, Phil, I already have plans for Hector.
Okay! Akala ko naman, magdi-ninja jump pa ako dyan. Okay, that's it. Gets ko na. Check. Okay, that's it. Ibig sabihin, this area is safe kasi pinatay ko na yung mga Kastar. Uy! I'm willing to play that. Code Veronica.
Alpha team, have you retrieved the sample yet? Affirmative. We'll be at the rendezvous point in 1 minute. Roger.
That's what you get for bullying me. Okay, let's continue. Papalayin ko lang to Samus is an Iron Man. Go for the... Secret Boy base. It's a Pokeball. Talo, wala namang penalty to eh. Kaya mo, pag nasa ulo ko tong game na to, as Jill.
Sige ba?
Like they're in character, man.
Oh my god!
Okay. There's a traffic!
Oh, di-discard ko na to, no?
Brad, this is Jill.
Ha?
Kasi hindi ko na to kailangan.
Ay, okay na. Discard mo na.
This is Brad.
Okay.
Stars
Huwag na pala yung machine
Bakit?
oil. Yes, discard.
It doesn't matter.
May butas. I should have done this. Yeah. My God, why is this happening? Welcome back to Full Squad. Speed Prohibition. Ay, loko ka. Teka. May jumping platform. Jumping platform. No way! GB laro ko, wala. Imposible to. My God! I don't know if I can get used to this or I press Y. My good. Knockout!
Think fast. Here's one more.
Ayan. At least nakakuha ko ng shotgun shells.
Hey, I can't reach the ventilation hole. I'm going to have to find another way around. I'll catch up with...
Got a super bomb. Ah, yung hyper bomb. No, it can't.
Your friends are waiting for you in the garage. I think they want to tell you something, so you'd best hurry on over it.
What the fuck? Really, Phil? Even you're spamming. Why are you doing this to me?
I'm actually playing no.
Yes.
Ano yung number?
Ano? Used to playing this type of game. I'm not that... not that pro. It's a control panel for the shield shop. It is used for alarming trespasser. Blue light is wow.
Okay.
ng mga AVGN na mga ano, si James na ulit yung nagsusulat ng script eh. Siya na ulit.
Siya naman. Yes.
Hindi kasi nung ano, there was a time kasi during around yung mga few years ago. Si James yung
ano
si Nuclear yung pinakamalinis na source of energy natin.
Pag namatay si Nikolai, push. Jump para good. Okay. Okay, that's it.
For those who don't
sige,
know
sige.
Nuclear
missile dyan. Actually, babalik ako sa taas.
Start streaming, but yeah. There are times when I attend meeting with my group, so there are times when I stream around 10 o'clock or even 11. Something like that.
Well, that's
so
what...
I guess it's more of mas okay pa ako dito sa Dino Crisis kaysa sa Resident Evil eh. Ay!
Hindi ko na kinuha yung ibang star bits yun sa loob. Yo, Hergen! Ayoko na! Putik!
Ganda kapag tinitignan sa malakas.
Alisin mo na yung save.
Bang kinapin nyo yung sa subscriber. Kung subscriber kayo, oo, ma-appear yan. Resident Evil 2.
Oh my god.
Okay. Do not smash it most of the time. Bye, dry bones! Yun. Safe landing.
Hype ako or so? Well, who knows? Since yung first game ay nag-exist, yan. Who knows kung bala kong stream to or not? Yan lang.
Ikaw nag-tip pala ako. open ng bedroom. Interact sa picture frame. O sige. I can save naman as many times as I want, pero sige, subukan ko yung sinabi mo.
Rice ball. Kainin mo na.
Pero malaki ang changes ng RE2 remake ah. Si Sherry nasa loko ka!